So this is so our business does numerous auction jobs where we submit our services to the fundraising efforts, generally nonprofit auction fundraisers, silent and live auction fundraisers. And we generally submit between $5,000 and $10,000 worth of services over. We've been doing this over the last 4 years. This job here is an example. So this is an old house here. I can't remember how old she said it was. She's gone now. I had to find out before I got started, but it doesn't have a lot of area. But it's definitely overdue for some work. She said she's been here for a number of years and hasn't done anything with it. This is an additional part of the project that we're taking on. There we go. The bathroom. It's got a lot of. It's got wallpaper on half the walls, or 2/3 of the walls, that needs to come off. A lot of mold up there. That's just the regular wall. There's a lot of icky mold up there. So yeah, we're gonna take off the wallpaper, clean the walls, prime and repair them, and then paint. And in this first area that we talked about, we're gonna clean the walls up a little bit, prime and paint in here as well. So that's it. See you in the next piece. So yeah, I plastered the walls. Scraped them all down, plastered them. See it taped up. Taped everything up where need be. In the bathroom here, cleaned all the walls. Removed all the wallpaper, the backing, cleaned the walls. Came out great. Very happy with that. Getting ready to prime and then repair these walls. There's the whole pile of there wasn't much wallpaper on there, it was mostly backing. That's the whole pile of backing that came out of this tiny little bathroom. So that's it. Till the next step. So yeah, I cut in, sanded the patches, the spackling. Cut in the first coat of primer. Just thought I'd take a few minutes of footage before we get started, before I roll it all in. I'll try this in this bathroom without the light first, and then put the light on. Seems as if the video camera reacts differently to the light, to artificial room lights and stuff than photographs actually do. Now we'll try it with the light. The bathroom here, I didn't do any repair yet. I wanted to prime first it allows all the necessary repair work to become a lot more visible. So that's it for now. So anyhow, I've got this all primed. I can't remember if I've taken these pictures already or not, but I've got this all primed. It darn near looks like it's completed. I had her tint the primer to the color of the top coat, which they did almost exactly. And the bathroom, as I mentioned earlier, I primed the whole thing and then I did the repair afterwards. It was much easier to determine which areas needed to be patched up and stuff after the primer was put down on everything, which is generally the case. So that's it. I'll come back and I'll sand and prime these spots in the bathroom area and then put the top coat on. And in this room I'll come back and just put a top coat on and that'll be it. Oh, I did do one repair in this area right here, which I'll sand, and looks like I need to put some kind of sealer on there for the water stains. And that's it. So I just finished up with the bathroom here. It's still a tad bit wet, but I've got to get going here. But yeah, so let's see, remove the wallpaper, removed and the backing, removed the adhesive, repaired the walls, primed them, and painted. Came out great. Client's very happy. Happy is very good. And the room out here, basically the same thing, except for there wasn't any wallpaper. But there was lots of repair, prime, paint. So that's bedroom, closet. That's it.